In this video, I will show you how to perform hard reset for the Nokia G400 in case if you forgot the PIN or the password on the phone. This is Variety's Take, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up to encourage me, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, doing hard reset, same as doing factory reset, the same process, but through the recovery mode. Now, I want to pay your attention about two important things before you do the hard reset. You're going to lose all your information on the phone, so you won't be able to retrieve this information after you perform the hard reset. And the second important thing, that doing hard reset means after you complete the factory reset, you are required to use Gmail account and the same password to bypass the Google activation screen. Now, if you have one already sync with the phone, if you don't have one, you should have no problems. Now, if ever got stuck with the Google activation screen, I will try to see if I can make a video. I'll leave the link in the description box when this video available for the Google bypass. Now, the first step, you need to power off the device by just clicking the power and the volume up. You should get this window and it has power off button. Go ahead and click. Now, regardless if you have a password, you should be able to shut the phone off completely. Now, we need the phone to be off. I would highly recommend to wait 15 seconds. Now, what I need from you, just to press the power key and the volume down together. Once you see the Android logo, keep holding on the volume down and release from the power. So let's just go ahead and do it. Power, volume down. Remove when I see the Android logo and hold on the volume down till you see this menu. So we have many options right there. Start, bootloader, recovery mode is the option we need. We need to press the power key to select this option, and luckily Nokia has unlocked the recovery mode with this phone, which is a good thing. They listen. Now wait. The phone will restart. You don't need to do anything. Now you're going to get this little menu here. You will have a few options. Reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, and wipe data factory reset. So you need to select through the power key and volume up, down to go up and down. When it's highlighted in blue, go ahead and press the power key and that should select. Now you're gonna get another message and warning. If you're sure you want to do the factory reset, you press the power key and you wait up to 5 minutes and everything will go as factory. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos here on Variety's Take, and thank you so much again. We'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta